So let's see how to perform down counter using JK flip-flop simulation in mobile phones. So for this, first we need to install this app, that is Logic Circuit Simulator Pro. So I have already installed this. So now let's open this. So here's the previous one. So now here you can see this is the app. At the bottom right corner we can see a symbol, so click on that. So we get a fresh circuit board. So now you can see there is horizontal and as well as vertical scaling here. So this helps us to indicate where we are in this entire circuit. So now for the construction of down counter we need 4 JK flip-flops. So we need to select those components first of all. So here at the right bottom corner we can see AND gate symbol, so just click on it. So on clicking that we get various components available in this app. So that is 2 input AND gates, switch button, inputs, light, RGB LED, that is red, green, blue LED, and 3 input AND gates, generators, JK flip-flops, latches, and 14 segment display. So various components, but we need JK flip-flop. So just click on the JK flip-flop. So element added successfully. So for now we have to click onto the board. So we got our JK flip-flop. Next again the same thing, just click on that symbol, just click on JK flip-flop. So element added successfully. After that click on at any point on the board. So you are getting another JK flip-flop. So spacing between the elements is very important so that we can see the connections clearly. So next again another JK flip-flop. So element added successfully, just click on any point on the screen. So just place it properly. So here you can see red color line, so that indicates that we are aligning it in proper manner. So again next another JK flip-flop. So element added successfully, just click at any point on the screen. So now, so finally we have selected 4 JK flip-flops needed for our circuit. Now what we need is ground and power supply. So for the ground, just click on here. Here low is nothing but the ground. Just so element added successfully, just click on the screen. So here is the low power supply. Now it is facing down, but it has to face up. For that what we have to do is at the top you can see single, multi, touch, connect, rotate, label, setup, like everything. So just click on rotate. So it has been rotated to 90 degrees. Again click on rotate. So now it's facing upwards. So now again we need battery, that is power supply, for that high. So element added successfully. So after selecting that element we have to click 13 point on the board. So here is the thing. So place it at the top because many connections we have to give from this high. Just place it at the top. So next we need to select generator. It is for clock pulses. So frequency generator we need to select. So 1 Hertz is the best so that we can see the numbering properly. If we select higher frequencies we can't see the numbering properly because frequency is high, so numbers will be running faster. So 1 Hertz is the best. So just element added successfully, so just click it on the board. So here is our generator, just place it here. And next what we need is for this BCD. So just click on there. So BCD is helps us to convert binary into decimal numbers. Here the output of JK flip-flop is in the form of ones, zeros and ones, which is nothing but binary form, but we have to get into decimal, that is hexadecimal form. So we need this. binary to decimal converter. So after the fourth flip-flop, place it somewhat down. So after this hexadecimal display, so that is 7 segment display, so that we can see the numbers properly. So this converts binary into decimal form, and here we can see that is hexadecimal form. Here we can see all those numbers from 0 to D, like that. Now we have selected all the components, so just zoom out. So here we have zoomed out. So while selecting the components, we can zoom in, and after selecting, while giving connections, it's better to zoom out. So now we have to give we have to give connections. So now let's start giving connections. So first of all, we have to connect load to the generator. So just click on connect, and which components are going, just click at their dots. So dot of the generator, dot of the low, that is ground. So here this lines appears. It helps us to align these lines properly. So sideways if we want, sideways, up down if you want, up down. So after proper alignment, just click HUD by the side of the screen. So they both get connected. Next, this generator has to be connected to clock of the first flip-flop. So just click on connect. So generator and clock of first flip-flop. So they both got connected. So just align it properly and just click HUD any side of the HUD any place on the board. So they got connected. Next, the J for toggling action, J and K has to be high. So now what we have to do is all the flip-flops J, K's has to be connected to high. So let's start giving that connection. So connect high K of the first flip-flop. Just connect them. And next connect high J of the second flip-flop. So next just click at any point on the screen. So they both got connected. Now we can see that JK flip-flop is blinking. So it blinks when the output is 1. So output when Q is 1, there it is blinking, dot is blinking, and as well as the JK flip-flop is blinking. So by this we can see that it is working. Next, in the same way, the JK of the second flip-flop has to be connected to the high. So connect high to K. So just slide it, and again the same, connect high J. And next again the same, connect high, sorry, we have to click exactly on the dot, otherwise we won't get it. So just slide it to sidewards so that we don't get a mixture of connections. Just press again the same, connect high J of the third flip-flop. So just slide this one, and next again connect high K of the fourth flip-flop. Just move it, just connect high J of the last flip-flop. Just connect them. So here's the thing, so only first flip-flop is blinking, so it is because we have given clock to it. So now what we have to do is the output of Q has to be given as clock. So Q must be connected, Q of first flip-flop, that is output of first flip-flop, must be connected to clock of the next flip-flop. So just connect them, and again the same, connect Q to clock, sorry, you have to press exactly at the dots. So connect Q of third flip-flop to the fourth flip-flop. So here's the thing, we have connected them all. So now all the flip-flops will start blinking. So only when the output is 1. So when the output is 1, all these flip-flops are also blinking. Now what we have to do is connect Q to the Q of first flip-flop to the A. Q of first flip-flop to the A. Connect Q of first flip-flop to the A. So just sliding is very important. Just slide it down. Just click at any point. So now again Q of second flip-flop to B. Connect Q of second flip-flop. We have to press exactly at the dot. Q of first flip-flop to B. So just slide it. We have to see which connection is which. And next connect Q of third flip-flop to the C. Just slide it. And next connect and Q of fourth flip-flop to the D. So we have connected all, and here we can see blinking of the output. So here there is 7 dots. So each dot is for each segment. So 7 segments, 7 dots. So for making this hexadecimal display to blink, we have to connect them also. So connect corresponding dots. So first dot to this first dot, again connect second dot to this, and then third dot to so this is incorrect connection. So what we have to do in order to prevent that is just select that connection. Just click on that selection connection. Just on the top you can see rotate, setup, info, timing, cut, copy, paste, delete. So just delete it. So just select that incorrect connection and just delete it. So by this we can delete incorrect connections. Again click on connect. See this. Again click on connect. Here corresponding dots has to be connected. Again connect. Again connect. Start and this dot. Connect. So here is the thing. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again F, E, D, C, B, E. So we are getting in reverse order. That is nothing but down counter. So we have constructed successfully down counter using the simulation software in mobile phones. So this is the simulator app. So finally we have constructed the circuit which we needed. So giving name to the circuit is very important. So at the top right corner you can see 3 lines. Just click on that and you can see here it is project 7. Just click on it and just give your name. That is here I am giving it as down counter with using JK flip flop. So press hard anywhere side of the screen. So the name has been changed and saving is very important. So after the 3 lines we are to the side left side of those lines we have saving option. So saved successfully. So just press back. So here you can see down counter using JK flip flop and the elements also. How many elements you have taken? 4 flip flops and that ground generator all put together 9 and connections we have given 24 connections. So here's the thing. So this is our circuit required circuit. So this is the down counter. So in this way we can carry on down counter using JK flip-flop simulation in our mobile phones without having computer and multi-sim software by using this app. So thank you.